Hey guys, welcome back to Little Piece of Heaven Farm. My name's Farron and I'm out here to install this trailer life. It's a round bar sway control hitch weight distribution system that I'm going to hook onto our trailer, and it should be able to weight distribution and sway bar control. Provides a smooth, level ride, a safer, less stressful tow, and it's a 10-year warranty. Comes with a 2 5/16 of an inch ball, universal compatibility. Can install on RVs, boats, cargo, ATV, and trailers. They come in 6K, 8K, and 10K weight ratings, and what I got here is a 10K rating. Might be probably a little bit of an overkill from what I'm towing, but if I ever get a bigger trailer, I'll be all set up for it. I could just swap it over to the bigger trailer. Anyhow, let's get into this and manual. I've got the 10,000 max trailer weight system here, and the max tongue weight is 1,000, and I've got that on the truck. So now I'm going to see it get this all out and piece this together. Okay, first up, you want to level your trailer from front to back. So I got a little bit of adjustments to do here. Okay, I lower the front end of the trailer down, and now it's level from front to back. Okay, now I'm going to measure distance between the wheel well here to the ground. 38.5. $35.5. So it's 38.5 in the rear. It's 35.5 in the front. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the trailer, except that on this one here, I'm just going to measure down on the front. That's 22 3/4. $26. Now it'd be best if you could do all this on a flat, level surface, but I don't have any flat, level surface here on my property. It's about as flat as area I got, so I gotta work with what you got. Okay, let's get this hitch here assembled. The goal is to have the ball of here sit right there. You have an inch. They say you could have like an inch play. It comes with the pin, but I'm going to use my locking one. There we go. Okay. You got plenty adjustments here that you can put it in. Okay, I've got it in the lowest one. Put my adjustments on there. I got like three washers in it. The idea is kind of keep this level with this as much as you can. Looks like 3 washers will do it. Okay. That's one thing I forgot. You got to put these washers on there that has the teeth. Make sure you got them on there. Do that all over again. Make sure that's on there. Perfect. Okay, now we got to install these brackets on here. And slap this on one here on the back side. Make sure the spacing is like that. Then you got a lock washer and a nut. All right, and I'll get those tightened down, and I'll install on the other side. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and put your L bracket on. Like you see, they got a lot of adjustment points. For now, I'm going to put it at that spot. The idea is have this bar level with your trailer frame. Just have nylon thread, so don't tighten it down yet. Wait until you get everything all hooked up, and then in case you have to adjust it. Got one of these bushings on here. It helps prevent it from being squeaky. All right, I believe I'm ready to stick it on the hitch of the truck here and see how this works out. Get that weight distribution bar on here and adjust this if need be. Alright, now it's time to put in this weight distribution bar in, and sway bar. It just snaps in. Use this tool that comes with it. Oh, this one's going to be a fight. Alright, there we go. There you go, it's in. Alright, there you go. All hooked up and ready to go. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by and see what I'm doing to some improvements on my trailer. Putting on this weight distribution sway bar combo. I don't like those ones with the chain that hangs right there. I don't like those because then you have to get a separate sway bar. This one here is all in one. Anyhow, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Those measurements that I took with the truck and the trailer, that'll work best if you had a flat, level asphalt concrete surface somewhere to do it. My property is not level. But when I did remeasure it after I had it all hooked up, they were within an inch and a half on the previous measurements. But it'd be best if you could do this on a flat, level surface. But when it's all said and done, even though my driveway wasn't perfectly level, it still worked out pretty good. So anyway, off to a camping trip and see how this works out. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.